Maps is about to make your road trips smarter and stretch your phone battery further. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google Maps is rolling out 2 handy upgrades for Android Auto users that could change the way you drive. First up, the map on Android Auto will now be perfectly centered on full screen mode, making it easier than ever to see every turn ahead. Google tried similar changes earlier this year as well, but annoying pop-ups for search and recent destinations kept blocking the view. Now those UI clashes have been fixed, putting the road in front and center. But not everyone may see this update just yet. But when it hits, your navigation experience will feel a lot cleaner. Besides this, the real game changer is a battery-saving mode that's sitting behind the scenes. Spotted in the latest Google Maps code, this mode dims the display to black and white and strips away unnecessary on-screen elements. That means your phone could last longer on the road, especially if you're running low on battery during a long trip. While Google hasn't officially announced it yet, but hints in the app suggest a public rollout could be around the corner. With all these small tweaks, Google Maps can make driving smoother, smarter, and less stressful. Center directions mean fewer missed turns, and the power-saving mode can be a lifesaver when your phone's nearing 1% battery. So whether you're commuting to work or hitting the open road, Google Maps is quietly leveling up, and drivers everywhere better be ready to notice the difference. Do you think these changes were needed? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.